Hello, welcome to my oral presentation for lesson 5.01. This is my personal research paper. In the first slide, I talk about Hurricane Katrina, which happened right after I was born, August 16th, 2005, in Ohio. It happened in Florida, August 23rd, 2005. It was a Category 5 hurricane. It's one of the third worst hurricanes in U.S. history since they started recording. In the next slide, I talked about Veterans Day. And the tradition for my family is every year we all go to my grandpa's grave on Veterans Day because he was in the Army and for the state and everything, they put a flag on all military personnel's graves to show respect. And then I talk about First Communion because I'm Catholic. So I had my First Communion May 4th, 2014. Everybody went, my whole family, because most of us are Catholics. And then we had a big after party at my house. And First Communion is a big part of the Catholic Church because I did mine in second grade. Most people do it in second grade. And you do classes to prepare for it. And here in my third slide, I did Everybody Moves, because in the way to Rainy Mountain, they moved with animal herds to get food, and then my family moved from Ohio to Florida for warmer summers and no snow in 2016. And then finally, here's my analysis of the way to Rainy Mountain. The facts, myth, and first-person events make it easier for the reader to understand what the story is about, because the myth, for example, the grandmother spider myth, the son's child's, they were told not to throw the ring up in the air, but they did, and then it split them in two. In the first person, they talk about how a frog splashes the water and makes a rippling effect and makes his image go away. And then in the facts, it talks about an Indian separating from his horse. So all of them are basically talking about the same thing, which is separating. And they all have the same meaning, just expressed in different ways. And then finally, here is my work cited page about where I got all my facts and everything. Thank you for watching.